Good morning. My name is Lauren, and this is a typical day in my life. So today is a Saturday, which means I'm not working. When I'm not working, I always make sure that I have time to do some yoga in the morning. It really kind of just gets my body feeling better. I am not a very flexible person naturally, so yoga is something that I have to do all the time in order to see the benefits. So I think just by doing like 15, 20-minute yogas, I try and do it about 5 to 6 days a week. I do feel a lot better in myself for doing them, so that's really important to me. My husband is away for work, and so my routine obviously changes a lot when he's gone. So I don't know, I feel like I don't lay around as much because I feel like I'm just being lazy, but with him, I feel like it's okay to sit around and be lazy. So it's probably not a good thing either way. So it's just me and Strider. Strider's my little standard dachshund. He's 6 years old, and he gives me a good excuse to get outside every day and get some exercise, especially on days on the weekend when I can just easily shut away for an entire weekend. He gives me the reason to get out and get some fresh air because I live in a beautiful place and I need to make the most of that, so. And here is the dog walking outfit for today. I recently actually dyed these leggings because they used to be like a purpley, like a really light purple, and I just never wore them and I felt bad. I actually bought them used. They're really nice leggings, like good quality. But the thing was that I just wasn't wearing them with the color that they were. And so I decided to try and dye them black. As you can probably tell, these did not turn out black, but at least are darker. And so I feel like now because they're darker, I can wear them a little bit more because I just didn't want to waste and throw them away, especially when they're perfectly functional, they still fit. I can get some more use out of them and save something from the landfill. Strider, you ready to go for a walk? You ready to go for a walk? buddy. I typically don't eat a lot of breakfast. On the weekends, I kind of have more brunch. So I'll kind of have a late breakfast around like between 10 and 11, mostly consisting of eggs and toast or something like that. I am flexitarian, but I would say that like 90 to 95% of my diet is just vegetarian, and I do cut out a lot of dairy.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. In the back, little cockpit, just running around like a snuff. She's cooking for all the dates, all her friends, trying to figure out where they are. Okay, all right. Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye. It's Next Day Lauren, the cleaner version. It's been a long time since I've uploaded a video to YouTube. Previously, I just kind of made some videos based off of our travels, and they're really, really bad videos, but I'm hoping to step up my game. I'm hoping to make this channel about my passions. Nature, traveling, adventures, generally just exercise, being outdoors, kind of treading lightly in life, like making environmentally friendly, conscious decisions when living your everyday life. So if you like it, you can follow along with me. Today is just a snippet in the day of my life, at least when I'm not working. I know that it might seem strange to some that I work out twice and I'd go on dog walks twice a day, but the first workout is like just a 10-minute gentle yoga, so it's more of a stretch, and the first dog walk is just literally 5 minutes around my very small neighborhood. He just needs to go outside and sniff, really, so he just kind of, however long it takes him, 5 or 10 minutes just to walk around and sniff. And then the second workout is normally more intense, and the second dog walk is about like 30 minutes, so he gets actual exercise. I hope this was a good introduction to myself and hopefully my channel. I'm thinking next of maybe doing a solo camping trip. We have a rooftop tent on my car. It will be the first time that I'm camping on my own. It's not the first time I've set it up on my own and taken it down, because I can do that. Let me know if you'd like to see that, or if you have any other things that you'd like to see from the channel. Please leave a comment below, and thanks for being here.